on hate, and we spent most of the show talking about hating is a form of bullying.
Don't you get paid because I watch you? You're welcome.
Be very, very careful what you say about people.
Or shut up and just say it to their face. Tonight at 8 p.m. on the CW.
And along with Eva, Kourtney Kardashian's man Scott Disick faces his biggest hater tonight. It got pretty intense.
You're not really going to talk.
No, I am.
Here's your opportunity to say what you'd like to say to me. I'm right here if there's something you got in mind.
See if he can turn his hater into a lover tonight at 8 p.m. on the CW.
Okay. Inside John Travolta's private jet. What about this Friday night? Somebody please get John in here before Renee wrecks something.
And tonight's Extra Extra, an amazing look inside Elizabeth Taylor's closet.
She wanted it big, bright, bold, every day was a grand entrance.
And Jane Lynch's first interview since hosting the Emmys.
Oh yeah, but I always have time for extra.
Plus, Alec Baldwin and John Krasinski's hilarious caught-on-camera roast fest.
Using connections at the State Department because a wife of yours deported.
That's coming up.
Extra brought to you by Selma. Visit Selma Boutique or Selma.com.
Selma Intimates, beautiful begins on me. The perfect example? Our exclusive vaccine technology.
She's like, what?
Now in full coverage, wire-free.
Look, she's like, don't stop. Keep doing it.
A flawless silhouette for every body. The Mansion Back Bra from Selma Intimates. Only at Selma Boutiques or Selma.com.
That's stop for the clock. That's stop. She'll come up to it. She's like, I'm gonna get it.
It looks like she's boxing too.
You can call her, and she'll answer to your boyfriend's name. Girlfriend.
Just laugh. Gotta wait till she comes close to it. Don't do it.
And wiggle your nose. It's not scary.
She's gonna fall off the couch.
What would your kid's dream be?
Baseball player, movie star, pirate. I dreamed of just being a kid again.
At age 9, Brianna was diagnosed with cancer.
It's done.
Hope on Wheels, Aldi and their dealers